What's up, guys? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We got butter chicken again. This is the Instant Pot version, and I did not make it. Kathy did. So we're gonna try her version. I'm sure it's just as great, maybe better. We will find out, right? Instant Pot version, or it's the Instant Pot. I thought it was Instant Pot, but I guess people just say it that way. Got the rice going, coming here soon, like 20 minutes or so. And of course, that bunch of cilantro. Yeah. Green onion either. Yeah, never forget the green onion. What's up, guys? Welcome to the mukbang part of the video. Yeah, you saw that thumbnail, right? Looking amazing. Again, this isn't my creation tonight, so it's probably going to be a little different. Put some coconut milk in there, and did it kind of different than I would. But still very bomb in a different way. Yup, amazing. It's an Instant Pot butter chicken. Paris, what are you doing? What are you doing over there? Want some? Got the other dog over there too, Raisinette. What's up, Raisinette? What's up? Chihuahua. She loves it. She's a kitchen cleaning crew along with my dogs. Every night. It's got some spice to it too. Pretty good. Or a little bit from the mine. Fucking amazing. Raisinette, what's up? Paris, shut up. That's your buddy. Stop being a bitch. Dude, it's so good. See, I haven't had any real variations outside of mine. While, I don't want to pay for it at a restaurant, you know. It tax the hell out of. It's like $15 a pot. A pop. $15.95 for a plate. Butter chicken combo with rice. Maybe some naan. That's probably extra. Amazing. But But my recipe came off of Bombay Chef on YouTube. I think it goes by another name too. I don't remember what that is, but the one I make is Bombay Chef, and it has like 1 million views or something like that. You know what I mean? They even say that they're like the best butter chicken video ever, or whatever it was, you know? But this is fucking good. She got this from an Indian cookbook. So it's good to change it up every once in a while, you know? Good time to be alive. Yeah. Stop. So different, but so fucking amazing. Stop. Hot. Burn your shit up. Dude, so fire. I don't think this recipe called for like onions at the beginning, like I would make it. But I did request some green onions for the money shot, you know. The shit you sprinkle on top when it's ready to be served, you know. Along with some cilantro, of course. What an amazing time to be alive, dude. God loves me. God loves you too. So I'm just coming from a personal angle. I'm so lucky to be in this house. Fucking shit's crazy. I live in one of the most expensive states in the country. And even out in the country, like far away from the city, or I'm actually pretty close to Tacoma, Washington, but it's still fucking hella rural out here. And the state fair is like right down the street. Every year for like 3 weeks, the end of the summer. People come from all around. This is where I'm at right now. And I'm in such a good spot right now. And some amazing things are coming up here pretty soon. Something that's been a personal interest of mine my entire life. I didn't realize it, that it was actually doable until like 2.5 years ago. God is amazing. What's coming is amazing. Amazing. And I hear you, the world is fucked up right now. more than I've ever seen it. I don't know about all time, but it is pretty crazy. You know, I'm so lucky to not be fucking homeless right now. This world is crazy, and I've been through like some crazy shit over the last 4 years. And I believe we all have. But this is my personal angle, you know. Alright guys, I'm done. I'm gonna go get some more. Please smash that like and subscribe button. Please leave a comment, share with the world, all that cringy YouTube crap, and I will see you guys next time. Have a good one. Peace.